Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to add a group to your favorites on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. If you've got a lot of conversations happening at once, adding important groups to favorites can save you time and keep everything more organized. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can see your list of chats and groups. Once the app is open, scroll through your chats until you find the group that you want to keep handy. This could be a family group, a work project chat, or any conversation that you don't want to lose track of. Once you've found the group, move your cursor over to it and right-click on the chat. When you right-click, a small menu will appear with several options. From there, simply select the option that says Add to Favorite. That's it. The group is now added to your favorites. From this point onward, it will appear in your favorites section at the top, or in a clearly marked area, depending on your layout. This makes it super convenient to jump straight into the group without scrolling through your entire chat list. Using the favorites feature is especially useful if you're part of a lot of groups and conversations. Instead of wasting time looking for the ones you use the most, you have them exactly where you need them. It's designed to keep you focused on the chats that matter most. So, to quickly recap, open WhatsApp on your PC, find the group you want, right-click on the chat, and choose Add to Favorite. In just a few clicks, you'll keep your important conversations right at your fingertips. That's all you need to know about adding a group to your favorites in the WhatsApp PC app with the latest update. Give it a try and keep your chats organized with ease.